I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Plug in your iPhone if battery is low and confirm you have at least 5 GB free. Once done, back up to iCloud or to your computer via Finder or iTunes so you can restore if anything fails. Now go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. You want to start the process immediately. This step fetches the update package and verifies compatibility with your device before the system proceeds to download. You tap Download, and because updates can be large, prefer Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges and slower speeds. While the file downloads, read the release notes so you understand security patches and feature changes. This helps you decide whether to install now. Once download completes, tap Install Now or choose to install tonight so the phone updates during idle hours. Make sure apps are closed and your device remains on. The installer will verify the package, and then you complete setup by following on-screen prompts after reboot. The system may perform migrations and ask you to sign in, so be patient. If the update fails, first reboot and retry the update. If that doesn't work, connect to a computer and use recovery mode to reinstall iOS without erasing data where possible. Make sure you have your backup available. Restore from it if files or app data are missing. If persistent errors occur, note the error code and contact Apple support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.